Hello teacher and classmate, I'm going to answer the question about the step for critical incident. In this case, I'm going to answer this question for my presentation for my micro teaching class. The first question is, what overall impression do you think students left this lesson with in terms of content or style? That the topic is really attractive to them. Science. They love Christmas, which made the content for more interesting and easier to learn. How will organization increase the presentation? Well, organization first the vocabulary of what represent, and then the activity were broken down all creative. How prepared were the teaching techniques uses the instructor's goal for this class? Well, the development science the game implemented as learning strategy for the topic. This made the students feel motivated and interested in winning the game. Describe the level of a student interested in participation. A super level of interest science was a notice to the class activity participating all time. What are structure major street weaknesses? That he used always all time, and kids that he used English all time and the kids understood, and each side he used a level appropriate to this age. What suggestions do you have for improving up down these instructor skills? Use more English and Spanish. Would you recommend this instructor to your students? Yes, of course, I consider him to be an excellent teacher. Thank you so much, teacher. And I want to explain this point. Describe the level of a student. The teacher use different activities in this class. For example, use develop the listening and different activity for this class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.